Brakes squealing as the weather warms up. These are the real reasons and what your car is trying to tell you. Spring conditions change how your brakes behave, and those sounds are early warning signs you shouldn't ignore. Sign number 1. Squealing first thing in the morning. If your brakes squeal on the first drive of the day but go away, that's usually surface rust. Why it happens? Overnight, moisture creates rust. Simple fix. This is normal. Just drive and brake lightly a few times to clean the rotors. Sign number 2. Squealing during rain or humid days. If your brakes squeal more during rain, moisture is affecting braking surfaces. Why it happens? Water creates a thin film causing vibration. Simple fix. Lightly apply brakes while driving to dry them off. Sign number 3. Constant high-pitched squeal. If the squeal is constant, your brake pads may be worn down. Why it happens? Metal tabs scrape the rotor when pads get low. Simple fix. Inspect your brake pads and replace them if worn. Sign number 4. Squealing with light braking only. This could be glazed brake pads from light braking. Simple fix. Have pads resurfaced or replaced. Sign number 5. Metallic squeal or rattle. Worn or loose shims could be the issue. They reduce vibration. Inspect and replace them. Sign number 6. Squealing after car sits for days. Corrosion buildup is likely. Drive normally, but if it persists, inspect the rotors. Sign number 7. Squeal with vibration or pulsation. Heat cycles cause uneven rotors. Simple fix. Resurface or replace them. Sign number 8. Squealing after a brake job. This could be improper installation or missing grease. Simple fix. Recheck installation and apply grease. Most brake squeal comes from moisture, wear, vibration, or surface issues. Some brake noise is normal, but constant squealing is your car asking for attention. Fix it early before it turns into a bigger repair. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.